again, for me it worked. Now I can clearly record anything with this mic. And if your mic doesn't support this gain is used to increase the dB voice of your mic. So if your mic is supporting this, so you can add this, but if your mic doesn't support, you don't have to this. So how we can add these two filters with this one? So we need to click on the plus icon over here, and we have here the noise gate and noise suppression. So you need to add these two. If you're not satisfied, if your no problem doesn't solve with these two, you can also add more filters over here to solve your problem. We have a lot of other filters available. For my mic, it solved my problem, but for you, maybe it's going to, in your case, maybe it's going to use